Welcome to Sum to Product Formulas Part 1. Let's take a look at our example. Write the expression as a product with positive arguments. Here we have sine of 6a plus sine of 12a. Now notice that we're going to take two signs and we're going to add them together. So choosing one of the sum to product formulas in which we are adding two signs, we're going to be able to rewrite this particular expression. Now notice that given the four formulas, the first one is the one that involves sign added to another sign. So we're going to say the following: since the input here is u and the input here is v, then u will be equal to 6a and v will be equal to 12a. So using that formula, we can say the following: sine of 6a plus sine of 12a is equal to 2 times sine of u plus v over 2, so 6a plus 12a over 2, times cosine of u minus v over 2. So in this case, times cosine of 6a minus 12a over 2. Now rewriting this, we get the following: 2 times sine of 6a plus 12a over 2, so that is 18a over 2, times cosine of 6a minus 12a over 2, or negative 6a over 2. And one more time, we rewrite this as follows: 2 times sine of 9a times cosine of negative 3a. And notice we get the 9a by dividing here the 18a by the 2, and we get the negative 3a by dividing here the negative 6a over 2. However, the argument here happens to be negative, and as part of the instructions, we wanted a positive argument. So we're going to use the fact that cosine is an even function. Recall that cosine is an even function because cosine of negative x is equal to cosine of x for all x in the domain. So we're going to use that property to establish the following relationship: cosine of negative 3a is equal to cosine of 3a. And using this new fact, we're going to replace this cosine of negative 3a with cosine of 3a. So we get that this is equal to 2 times sine of 9a times cosine of 3a. And therefore, we can conclude the following: sine of 6a plus sine of 12a is equal to 2 times sine of 9a times cosine of 3a. And that's where we actually employed our sum to product formulas part 1. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.